Navigating Microsoft Teams. You can access Microsoft Teams through a web browser by going to www.microsoft365.com and signing in with your @school's email address. From here, you can then click on the Teams icon to open Teams, the web app. If you have the desktop app installed, we recommend that you use this version. Once you are in Teams, you will see all the teams which you are a part of, and you can open these to access files or post in the channels. In the top right, when you click on your profile, you can access some settings. Here you can change your availability status. You can set your work location. You can also set or schedule a status message to show if you are on leave, for example. From here, you can also add another account. This is useful for corporate staff who may belong to a team in the SA.gov tenancy and have an sa.gov.au email address. Still in the top right, you can access the settings in Teams by clicking on the ellipses, the 3 dots, and clicking on Settings. In the settings, you can customize how you would like your Teams to look and behave. To change the appearance, click on Appearance and Accessibility in the left menu. Here you can change the theme and also the layout. This theme is set to grid, but you may prefer list. Click on Notifications and Activity to change these settings to your preferences. Out of Settings, on the left side of Teams, you can access different features within Teams. The Activity feature is similar to a news feed. It shows you activity which has occurred in Teams you are a member of and when someone has replied or reacted to a post. Chat offers a private chat function. I can have a conversation with any staff within the Department for Education. Note that this function is disabled for students for protective practices reasons. Within chat, you can chat with a single person or create a group chat, for example between a smaller group of colleagues. Any Teams meeting you have, which was recorded, or where people have used the chat function will also show up in your chat stream. When you click on the Teams icon, this will open up the last team which you were looking at. If I need to go back to that All Teams screen, I can click on All Teams in the top left and then I can see all the teams I'm an owner or member of. So let's go into a team now. In a team, I can see channels down the left, which are a way to categorize information into a number of topics. In each channel, you have posts where people can have a conversation. The next tab is for files. If your team is a PLC or staff team, you will also see Notebook appear as a tab. You can also add additional tabs at the top of a channel, like this planner has been added. At the top of Teams, there is a search bar which allows you to search for information within Teams. Results are sorted into messages, people, and files. To search within a particular chat in the team, hold down Ctrl and F and a search menu will appear on the right. To search within a particular channel, open Channel Details and click on Find in Channel.